Kikubor kibubnya. Menteri Kesorkar ubalong ru nongelam keseng BGP ulaong ba kesorkar jela ba kesorkar pedeng kepli ya kejengkang na kebentar ki Kynhun Lehnoh banwan syakamiet Iakren Iasuk. Watla kala don ke kubor ba ki don ki jeng pendung de Khot thamai ya ki Lehnoh uba hek ulama ham da ke baong ba omdon ki ba kham kraw hakmat kaan. Ula kentui ki Kynhun Lehnoh banwan penbet ya ki jeng da ke ba Iakren markhamat. Halo ke jeng ong jong ke seng kongres ba kesorkar MDA ke Deban Shim ya ke jeng kit kli halo ke jeng yap jong uwei ubrieu na ke jeng di drog. Uba hek ula kentat ya kini ke jeng keno bat ong ba ke jeng di drog ke dei ke jeng kwa shimet bat om dei ban keno inu. Ula ban rap ru da ke baong ba na ke liang kesorkar ke latre shitom kat balak ban tek lakam ya ke jeng kai drog kom ta ki pat ba ru ki dei ban trailang khnang ba an la ban khang lat ya kini ke kam sniu ha ke imlang ke salang.
The state of Meghalaya is open, the government of Meghalaya is open, and also the central government also open to have come to across the table to discuss about this issue which is facing by the youths today. Can we blame the parents if any children doing for the drug abuses? Can we blame the parents? So that is the personal choice of the one individual. We cannot blame the government like that. That's very wrong. I will not agree that to blame the government. We as a government, we are doing our job to ensure that we have to eradicate this drug menace in the state of Meghalaya.
Bun na kilong yeng heki jakan